In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best carpet cleaner machines on Amazon 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best carpet cleaner machines on Amazon 2026. Number 5, BISSELL Little Green Mini Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner, Car/Auto Detailer, with Hydro-Rinse Self-Cleaning Tool and 4-inch Tough Stain Tool, Tea Green. 4075. Portable Deep Cleaning Power Compact designed for tackling stains, spills, and everyday messes. Carpet and upholstery cleaner ideal for carpets, rugs, furniture, stairs, and fabric surfaces. Perfect for car detailing. Easily cleans car seats, floor mats, and vehicle interiors. 0.4-inch Tough Stain Tool targets stubborn spots and concentrated stains with precision. Hydro-Rinse Self-Cleaning Tool helps clean the hose after use for easier maintenance. Lightweight and easy to carry, convenient for moving between rooms. Number 4, BISSELL Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner with XL Dirt Lifter Power Brush, 9-inch Long Reach Hose, 6-inch Tough Stain Tool. Includes BISSELL Pro Max formula with Stain Protect technology. Professional grade carpet cleaning designed for deep cleaning carpets and removing stubborn dirt and stains. XL Dirt Lifter Power Brush. Powerful rotating brush system lifts embedded debris from carpet fibers. Large cleaning path covers more surface area for faster whole room cleaning. 0.9-inch Long Reach hose easily cleans stairs, upholstery, and hard-to-reach areas. 0.6-inch Tough Stain Tool targets concentrated stains and heavily soiled spots. Includes BISSELL Pro Max formula cleaning solution with stain protection technology for enhanced results. Large capacity tanks supports longer cleaning sessions with fewer interruptions. Heavy-duty construction built for frequent deep cleaning tasks in homes and high-traffic areas. Multi-surface cleaning capability suitable for carpets, rugs, stairs, and upholstery. The BISSELL Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner is a powerful deep cleaning machine engineered to deliver professional-level carpet care at home. Designed for tackling heavily soiled carpets, high-traffic areas, and stubborn stains, it provides exceptional cleaning performance for a fresher and cleaner living environment. Equipped with the XL Dirt Lifter Power Brush, this carpet cleaner penetrates deep into carpet fibers to loosen and remove embedded dirt, debris, and stains. Its large cleaning path helps cover more area in less time, making it ideal for cleaning entire rooms efficiently. The included 9-inch Long Reach hose and 6-inch Tough Stain Tool expand cleaning capabilities beyond carpets, allowing you to clean stairs, upholstery, furniture, and other difficult-to-reach areas. The BISSELL Pro Max formula with Stain Protect technology helps enhance cleaning results while helping maintain carpet appearance. Built with large capacity tanks and durable construction, the Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner is designed for homeowners who want powerful, professional quality cleaning performance for carpet. Number 3, Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner Machine, Deep Cleaning Carpet Shampooer Machine, Spin Scrub Brushes, Heat Force Drying, Pet and Upholstery Tools. Pair with Hoover Carpet Cleaner Solution. Deep carpet cleaning performance removes embedded dirt, stains, and everyday messes from carpet fibers. Spin Scrub Brush technology. Multiple rotating brushes provide 360-degree carpet cleaning action. Heat Force Drying system helps accelerate carpet drying after cleaning. Powerful carpet shampooer. Designed for whole room carpet cleaning and maintenance. Pet cleaning tools included helps tackle pet stains, dirt, and high-traffic areas. Upholstery cleaning attachments suitable for furniture. Number 2, Hoover CleanSlate Plus Portable Carpet Plus Upholstery Spot Cleaner Machine. Powerful suction with versatile tools, pet stain remover, car and auto detailer. Pair with Hoover Carpet Cleaner Solution. Powerful spot cleaning performance, removes tough stains, spills, and embedded dirt from carpets and upholstery. Strong suction technology lifts and extracts messes for effective deep cleaning. Portable and lightweight design, easy to carry and use throughout your home, vehicle, or office. Versatile. Cleaning tools include specialized attachments for tackling different cleaning tasks. Pet stain remover designed to help clean pet accidents, stains, and everyday messes. Ideal for upholstery and Number 1 Uwant Carpet Cleaner Machine with steam and hot and cold water system. 18 kilopascals powerful suction upholstery cleaner machine with Pet Pro Cleaner for pets. Carpet steam cleaner set of 1. Steam, hot and cold water cleaning system. Multiple cleaning modes for tackling various stains and surfaces. 18 kPa powerful suction effectively lifts dirt, spills, and embedded debris from carpets and upholstery. Pet Pro Cleaning Performance designed to help remove pet-related messes, stains, and odors. Deep carpet cleaning penetrates carpet fibers for thorough cleaning results. Upholstery cleaning capability suitable for sofas, chairs, mattresses, car interiors, and more. Multi-surface versatility works on carpets, rugs, upholstery, and fabric surfaces. Easy-to-use design, convenient controls for efficient home cleaning. Large capacity water system supports extended cleaning sessions with fewer refills, ideal for homes with pets. Helps maintain a cleaner and fresher living environment. The Uwant Carpet Cleaner machine combines advanced cleaning technology with powerful performance to deliver deep cleaning results throughout your home. Featuring a versatile steam, hot water, and cold water cleaning system, this machine is designed to tackle stubborn stains, dirt, and everyday messes on carpets, rugs, and upholstery. With powerful 18 kilopascal suction, it effectively extracts moisture, dirt, and debris from deep within carpet fibers, helping surfaces dry faster and look cleaner. The Pet Pro cleaning capability makes it especially useful for households with pets, helping address pet stains, hair, and lingering odors. Beyond carpets, this versatile cleaner can be used on upholstery, sofas, mattresses, stairs, and vehicle interiors, making it a practical all-in-one cleaning solution. The user-friendly design and large-capacity water system help simplify cleaning tasks while maximizing efficiency, whether you're dealing with everyday spills or deep cleaning high-traffic areas. The Uwant Carpet Cleaner machine delivers powerful suction, versatile cleaning modes, and reliable performance for a fresher, cleaner home.